Ready? Start. The debate about the nature of India's current regime has been raging for some time now. On the one hand, there is an argument that the personalization of authority and the corrosion of institutions combined with an exclusivist social and cultural agenda have made India a nominal electoral democracy. On the other hand, supporters of the regime tend to rely on the popularity of the Prime Minister and the electoral victories emerging out of bitter campaigns and high turnouts as proof of its democratic credentials, not just meeting the minimal standards of democracy but making India's democracy a vibrant affair. In this backdrop, the arrest of a popular chief minister presents credible direction on where the regime is headed. Without going into the merits of the enforcement directorates, ED claim the timing and the audacity of arresting Kejriwal signify two things: that the BJP government does not worry about the possible fallout of this arrest, and that it does not care about so called democratic credentials. After a decade in politics, and despite the Kejriwal phenomenon getting somewhat stale, Kejriwal remains popular in the National Capital Territory and retains at least a limited image recognition. To arrest a sitting chief minister with these credentials requires serious inquiry into what it means. Kejriwal is not only chief minister, though he is the first sitting CM or opposition leader to be arrested. Hemant Soren of Jharkhand is in jail, and it is not confined to CMs alone. More recently, K. Kavitha of BRS has also been arrested. In other words, the BJP has sent out a message that is, it is not afraid of consequences. The BJP will adopt two strategies in the coming weeks. First, it will raise the pitch about some other issue so that the obliging media will shift its focus and the arrests will lose political significance. In fact, the inability to obtain bail may automatically sidetrack the issue. In the case of Soren, the judiciary has conveniently set aside its oft repeated dictum of bail not jail, and this has enormously helped in the matter getting sidetracked. The BJP is likely to also make appropriate noises about its anti corruption crusade in order to convince the public. Stop.